Kennels and crates are a necessity for most dog lovers, but let's face it, some look more like chicken cages than a cozy place for your best doggo. Not to mention that they are an interior decoration nightmare. Your pupper is set with a doghouse outside. Now it's time to upgrade from chicken wire to a beautiful wooden dog kennel. Both you and your fashionable dog will love. Check out these great.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Zoovilla Triple Door Wooden Dog Kennel. This is a beautiful wood kennel and crate for a mid-sized dog, like a beagle or a bulldog. It comes in 2 colors, espresso and white, and is very well designed. It will fit nicely as an end table by your couch or in your dining room. The smooth top is ideal for pictures or a nice plant, and the crate will become a decorative and comfortable home for your dog. A bottom tray slides out for easy cleanup, and the 3 doors, French-style doors to the front and a single door at the end, leaves great access and lots of air and light for doggo. The outside of the kennel measures 20.39 inches deep, 30.63 inches wide, and 23.23 inches tall. The dog space measures 17.48 inches deep, 27.64 inches wide, and 22.76 inches tall. This is a number 2. Contemporary ecoFLEX Dog Kennel. This is just the right kennel for the environmentally conscious dog owner because it's made out of ecoFLEX, a non-toxic, sturdy, recycled plastic wood composite material that will not warp, crack or split. The contemporary design is a great fit for modern dwellings, such as downtown lofts and other places with minimalist interior decor. Bars and latches are made out of sturdy stainless steel that deter chewing and match the contemporary design perfectly. This is a stylish crate for any dog up to 100 pounds, and the outside dimensions are 43.5 inches long, 27.6 inches wide, and 30.9 inches tall. The interior measures 39.8 inches by 24.6 inches and is 20. Number 3. Indoor Wooden Mobile Dog Kennel. This dog kennel with wood trim combines the best of both worlds. A solid mesh crate it's difficult to break out of even for the worst Houdini canine, and beautiful accent wooden trims and tabletop. The trim is made out of solid hardwood, and the freestanding design means it fits in any room in the house. If you want to take it with you, then the side panels fold easily into the large center panel, and you can carry the crate with you. The tabletop is smooth and beautiful, the ideal coffee table accent for any couch or recliner. External dimensions are 24 inches by 18 inches by 19 inches tall, and the door measures 14 inches by 12 inches. Number 4. Richell Wooden End Table Large Crate. This is a great wooden dog kennel and end table combo that will fit larger dogs, up to 88 pounds. Its beautiful wooden design makes it less of an eyesore, even in the most well-decorated living room, and the tabletop is smooth and sturdy. It's all dark wood and very stylish. It has a convenient bottom tray that slides out for super easy cleaning. The design gives your dog a 360-degree view of what's going on, and it also allows for great air circulation. There's a door at one end and it opens all the way across the kennel, so it's super easy for your dog to go in and out. This is a very well-made kennel that also comes in 2 smaller sizes. The large size measures 29.9 inches by 41.5 inches by 29.5 inches tall, and it weighs in at more than 50 pounds. This is a massive, well-constructed